using crap. What am I doing? Oh, hey, I'm still filming. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. We upload DIY, sewing, and fashion videos every single week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks again for watching this video and tuning in. This week's video is going to be really fun. I'm super excited about it because it's another thrift DIY video, and I think those are probably my favorite ones to do. What I've got, all this stuff came from Goodwill because with all the quarantine stuff going on, the fabric store was still not open, and if you order it online, I think it's like a 2-yard minimum. So I usually don't need quite that much, but it depends what I'm making. Anyways, I found this really adorable backpack at Goodwill and all this other stuff because I didn't have my fabric store to go get fabric to put on the bag. I found this really cute cheetah backpack, and it's really soft too. It's a quilted material and it's in really good shape, but it's just a little dated for me, and it is really cute the way it is, but I'm not crazy about this little paisley design right here, whatever this is, but I like the rest of it. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet, so that's why I'm just taking you guys along with me. Wanted to do something here and possibly for the handle and around here, and then the straps possibly, but like I said, I don't know. I'm just gonna get creative with it and see what happens. The materials I have are these leggings, which I know is so weird, but like I said, I didn't really have any access to the fabric store at the moment. They are open now, so that's good. But this is gonna be enough, I think, for what I need it for. I don't know, I just need a little bit of cheetah fabric. So I think it's gonna look really cute with this is like a larger cheetah print, and then there's like a smaller cheetah print, so I think it's gonna contrast very nicely. Then I got this top, and I'm going to use the heart on here and possibly this black velvet on the bottom because it's quite a bit of fabric, so I might use it for something. And then this really cute heart pillow, and I know a lot of you guys are like, why is she gonna cut up all this stuff? And this adorable heart pillow, I know, and Jack loves it, honey. But it is such a good material because it is red fur and it's just so vibrant, and I don't know, it's so expensive to buy fur at the fabric store. It's insane. Even I was looking on Etsy, and you know, it's like, I don't know, usually it's about $30 a yard, and not that I need a yard, but even half a yard, I just think that's too much when I can buy a pillow and just, you know, because I don't need a lot, so I just need about this much, and I love this color, so I am gonna cut it. I'm sorry, but it's gonna be really awesome, I hope. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this project. I've got everything laid out in front of me. So I've got the pillow, the shirt, the leggings, and the backpack, and Jack. I'm also going to be using fabric scissors and my favorite fabric glue, Fabrifix. You can find this at Joann. And I might be sewing a little bit as well, but you do not have to do this if you decide to do your own backpack. I'm sure that you can find a way around it, and you can get creative with it as well, so do what you want to do. The first thing I think I'm going to do is go ahead and cut this red fur. So I'm going to cut enough to put on this and at the bottom of the bag. So just a warning, if you've never worked with fur before, it is extremely messy. So like I said, I'm going to be using it for this part. So I'm just going to take my fur and I'm just going to place it on the back and then flip it over and then just cut as much as I need for it. Always cut out a little extra because you never know, if you're gonna mess up. So let's see. Yeah, I think I'll have to cut around it, but that's totally fine. I'd rather have more than not enough. And it's uneven on this side, so I'll be able to straighten that up as well. So like I said, it is a little too big. So I'm just going to take my scissors and just trim it up. Now I'm going to use the red fur to put on the bottom of the bag. And then it also goes around, so I'm just going to probably cut a couple pieces out and put those on. I'm also going to be using my rotary cutter for this part. So if you don't have one of these, scissors are fine, but these are great to have if you sew or do any kind of crafting. That way it'll just be more straight. All right, let's do this. Okay, I'm finally done with all that fur, and let me tell you guys, that is an absolute mess, which I already know these things, yet I still continue to work with fur. But, I mean, look, it's so fun. All right, anyways, the next thing I'm going to do is cut this heart out of this shirt, and I'm going to put it on the bag. I'm either going to put it right here or right here. Not sure yet. For the handle of the backpack, I'm going to try to use this black velvet, but I don't know if it's going to be enough, so let's see. I tried every way possible to try to get this to work, but it's just not wrapping around correctly because it is kind of an odd shape, and I don't think I'm going to be able to use it, so I'm kind of bummed out because I did want to do something up here, but I guess it's fine. So let's move on to the leggings. This one I'm going to make into a bow. So I'm going to cut one of these legs out. I am gonna go pin this and sew this real quick. It's just the middle of the bow, and I'll be right back. The backpack is finished, and I have to say, you guys, I am super happy with it. It turned out even cuter than I imagined. Jack, what you doing over there? Why don't you sit down? So this is the final result of the backpack. So cute. I love it. I wish I could have used that black velvet for the handle, or something for the straps, but you know, maybe I'll find some fabric later on and I'll add it to that. But as long as this part was covered up and this part, I was pretty happy. So I like all the other little touches to it, and it looks a little more updated now. So I think this is going to be a lot more fun to carry around, and I am super excited to wear this on my back now. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you tune in next week for another fashion, DIY, sewing, or haul video. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. We'll just wing it and see. Comment, tell me what you thought about it, like this video, blah blah blah, you know the drill. Jack and I will see you in our next video.